Hello everyone, welcome to Zeta's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you what's inside my AOS packet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start. So noong February 12th, 2024, nag-submit na ako ng aking adjustment of status application. So I applied employment authorization and advanced parole concurrently with my AOS application. So mind you guys, by April, mag-change na or magtataas na yung payment. So when I applied, the amount that we paid is $1,225. So, ang mode of payment na ginamit namin is money order since the maximum amount that they could issue you per money order is $1,000. We used two money orders. One is for $1,000 and the other one is for $225. And okay lang yun kung curious kayo or medyo nag-worry kayo kung okay lang ba na separate or two amounts or two money orders, okay lang yun as long as tama yung amount ng payment. So, ang ginamit namin courier is USPS. 12 namin pinadala and then the 16th of February, na-receive na nila yung aking packet. And then, I received the text message from them. Let's see. I think it was the 22nd. Yeah, 22nd of February, I received the text message from USCIS, including the receipt numbers. So, tatlo yung text message na na-receive ko para sa AOS, employment authorization, and advanced parole. And then, kailangan mo kasi ng access code para matrack mo siya online on your USCIS account. So, hindi ko pa na-receive kasi yung tatlong notification sa mail na nagtataka rin ako kung bakit hindi ko pa siya nare-receive. Kaya hindi ko pa talaga ma-add yung mga cases ko online. Pero meron namang way, parang outside your USCIS account para matrack mo kung ano na yung status. So, when I tracked it, they already scheduled me for biometrics the 24th of February. And then, mas nauna ko pang na-receive yung letter, appointment letter for my biometrics, which will be on the 13th of March. So, ayun. Tatawag pa ako sa USCIS about my access code since hindi ko nga na-receive yung receipt letter na merong access code from them para mas matrack ko siya sa USCIS account ko. Ngayon, about the documents that we've submitted, first is yung form I-485. So, meron akong 5 envelopes na ginamit. Dun sa first envelope is the form I-485 and the supporting documents. So, dun sa first envelope, I have the payment in the amount of $1,225. And then the form G1145, e-notification of application para makareceive kayo ng text message kung na-receive na nila yung packet mo. And then the duly accomplished I-485 form, copy of I-797, yung notice of approval or notice of action 2, that's for your I-29F petition. And then copy of NDC acceptance letter. copy of marriage certificate, copy of birth certificate, copy of biographical page of passport, copy of K1 visa page, copy of Form I-94 arrival departure record, and then copy of Form DS-3025 vaccination documentation worksheet, two 2x2 size colored photos with name and A number at the back, pero hindi siya required. Nilagyan ninyo ng name or A number sa likod ng 2x2 photos. And then, photos together or proof of relationship. Yung photos together and proof of relationship, kasi masyado nang madami yung dun sa isang envelope, sineparate ko siya. Nasa separate envelope. And then, for the other envelope, yung Form I-864 and supporting documents. So, that's the affidavit of support. So, first is yung duly accomplished I-864 form, copy of biographical page passport of the petitioner, copy of birth certificate of the petitioner, copy of recent Form W-2, copy of account transcript, copy of recent pay stubs. So, yung nilagay ko is for the past 6 months. And then, for the other envelope, yung Form I-765 and supporting documents application for employment authorization. So, andun yung Form G1145, e-notification of application, duly accomplished I-765 form, copy of biographical page of passport, copy of marriage certificate, copy of I-129F, notice of action 2, copy of Form I-94, arrival and departure record, two 2x2 size colored photos with name and A number at the back. So yun, dun yun sa employment authorization. Then for the Form I-131 and supporting documents application for travel document or advanced parole, Form G1145, e-notification of application, duly accomplished, I-131 form, copy of biographical page of passport, copy of marriage certificate, notice of action 2, copy of Form I-94 arrival and departure record, and then two 2x2 size colored photos. So, ayun. Yun lang yung mga documents na sinubmit ko. And then for biometrics na ako, wala naman akong nare-receive na something about request for additional evidence, and hopefully wala naman akong ma-receive na gano'n na hopefully kumpleta na lahat ng aking na-submit na documents. And I also added the CRBA of our daughter kasi may mga nababasa ako dun sa mga group na sinalihan ko na pagka daw may baby kayo, most probably, mawi-waive na yung interview. So, hopefully, ma-waive din yung interview ko and ma-approve na as soon as possible yung aking employment authorization and advanced parole, and syempre yung green card din. Kasi ang dami ko nakikita na yung iba na-approve na sila in just 4 months. Meron na kaagad silang green card. Tapos, after ng biometrics nila, na-approve na din kaagad yung advanced parole and employment authorization. Tapos, nilagay ko lang siya dun sa malaking envelope, priority mail ng USPS. So, andun lahat yung 5 envelopes na yon, plus may separate paper ako, yung cover letter. So, dun sa cover letter, andun lahat yung laman ng packet ko. So, ayun lang. So, right now, I am waiting I am waiting for my biometrics, which will happen on the 13th of this month, March. So, ayun lang guys. Shinare ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng aking AOS packet. So, thank you so much for watching Zeta's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye-bye.